Welcome to this user guide that will show you how to take advantage of all the features of your Wi-Fi Pro service, features that offer your business end-to-end performance, protection, and coverage. In this video, you'll learn the steps to follow to perform an in-depth presence analysis of your establishment, or in other words, how to measure visits to your business. Step 1. Activating and configuring the presence analysis.
Here we go. Let's start by opening the Guest tab. And next, the Presence Analysis tab. Then, click on Configuration. Make sure to enable all access points to collect data so as to properly define the research. Next, we select the access points to be disabled to exclude them from the analysis. For example, in the warehouse, we don't want employees to be considered customers or visitors. Now, we need to define the distances. Visitors designate the devices of people entering your business within the closest range to your Wi-Fi network. They are calculated in decibels, meaning that the fewer decibels lost with regard to your access point, the closer the visitor. Now let's move on to passerby. You will want to gather data on those passing in front of your business, for example, in the street, and those who are farther away from your Wi-Fi extended range. And finally, the conversion, or how to convert passerby into visitors. Let's take the case of someone who enters your business, a restaurant for example, and spends more than 30 minutes there. You can therefore assume that the person stopped and stayed to eat. The passerby has thus become a visitor. It's easier to calculate the distance with a Wi-Fi analyzer on a smartphone. It shows the dBm, the decibels, based on the distance where you are. It is therefore recommended to use this for exact distances.
Step 2. Interpreting and generating presence analysis reports.
Now let's go back to list mode. This is where you'll find the sites or, if you prefer, the physical locations of an office or store. Now I will select a specific site, like the Prod Home site that we configured. There, we find your passerby, your visitors, your own visits, and even your loyal visitors. You can also modify the viewing period. For example, let's look at the period from March 1st to 15th. You can see that the statistics change. We can also turn to summary mode for a graphic analysis, whether on a daily or weekly basis, passerby or visitors, or even visit frequencies. For example, how many visitors visited your business 7 to 14 times? How many visitors came 3 times? Then, you can evaluate the status of the visit. Here, of the 123 visitors, 76 connected to your Wi-Fi and 47 did not connect to your visitor or employee access point. These statistics help you determine when connections occur.
And that completes our overview of your Wi-Fi Pro's advanced presence analysis feature, which offers your business end-to-end performance, protection, and coverage. Learn more about your Wi-Fi Pro service features and maximize their benefits. We invite you to watch our other tutorials available on the Videotron Business support site in the Wi-Fi Pro Internet section. Thank you for your time. See you soon.